Hello, hello, hello! Magandang araw! Welcome back sa lahat ng Pisces. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love. Sa inyong Tagalog, love reading. Ngayon na, Mismo. Okay. So, ang gagawin natin today ay ang inyong weekly love reading for February 16 to 22. So, tingnan natin, alamin natin ano yung energy na masasagap ko para sa collective. Habang binabalasa ko to, nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng Pisces na sumusuporta sa channel na to. At sa mga bago, sana supportan niyo rin po by liking this video. Saka subscribe na rin kayo sa channel. And share nyo na rin sa iba pang Pisces. Saka comment lang kayo sa baba kung nag-resonate to. Maraming salamat. So, tingnan natin ano yung overall energy ng reading na to. Second card for February. Abundance. Wow! Nag-uumapaw. Siksik liglig at umaapaw ang inyong love life. Yung pag-ibig na na-experience ninyo. Sige, tingnan natin yung detalye ng abundance niyan. Sige, at anong connection sa inyong love life. Sige, habang binabalasa ko rin to, I hope na mag-resonate yung reading, but this is a collective reading kaya it may or may not resonate. Kung hindi, huwag nating pilitin. It means na hindi para sa inyo itong reading na to. And abangan nyo na lang po yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kaya subscribe na para updated kayo sa mga readings ko. Okay, sige. Second card. Ayan, oops. Five of Swords. Strength card. Seven of Wands. Knight of Cups. Knight of Swords. Okay. Nine of Swords. Ace of Swords. Ooh. The Hermit. Justice. And Knight of Wands. Oh. Okay. Sige. So, nag-start siya sa Five of Wands. And nag-end siya sa... nag-start siya sa Five of Swords. Nag-end siya sa Knight of Wands. And, tingnan natin. So, there's a strong energy of Leo, Virgo, and Libra. Okay. So, pwede yun yung signs ng person ninyo, but doesn't have to. Okay. Yun lang strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay, sige. And, tignan natin ang relasyon niya sa abundance. So, si Five of Swords, okay. There was conflict na naganap between the two of you, yung person mo. Okay? But, you're a very resilient person. Okay? Pwedeng nagkaroon kayo ng di pagkakunawaan and it ended the relationship. Okay? Pero dito pinapakita sa strength card that you are a very resilient person. So, whatever challenges mo, overcome mo siya. And as double confirmed by Seven of Wands, which is, the Seven of Wands kasi is overcoming challenges. Okay? And knowing din yung boundaries mo na, okay, tama na to, hindi na to para sa akin, and I have to stop and end this relationship. Okay, pero merong dun sa nine of swords naman shown here is tama, Knight of Swords, because sinasabi din dito ni Universe din na very impulsive yung nangyari na ending between the two of you. Parang hindi siya pinag-isipan. Hindi siya inupuan, hindi kayo nag-usap ng maayos, hindi nyo tinry munang i-resolve yung conflict na meron sa inyong dalawa. That's why it ended with a Nine of Swords. Okay, so from Knight of Swords to Nine of Swords, which is there's so much regret. So may regrets ka na naramdaman. Or pwedeng dun din sa person mo. Pero, okay, magkakaroon ng clarity sa'yo pagdating sa situation and sa kanya din, and both of you would try to have a fresh start. Okay? Tatry nyo subukan magsimula ulit. Okay? Yung the truth about what happened dun sa reason for ending the relationship, lalabas yung katotohanan and maayos nyo siya. Kailangan nyo lang siyang usapan and siguro very helpful na rin tong space between the two of you para magnilay-nilay, para mag-reflect sa nangyari. But there will be nare-reveal yung truth, and as shown here now from the Hermit, that a card of taking some space and reflection, there will be justice or magkakaroon ng accountability between the two of you. And yun yung kinagandaan, di ba? Once na accountable, parang alam mo yung mga nagawa mo or yung contribution mo sa relationship, kung bakit siya nagiging okay or bakit siya nagiging hindi okay, di ba? Yun yung very important because magkakaroon ka ng awareness and kayo ng awareness and mas mariresolve nyo ng tama yung situation. And as shown here, dun sa Knight of Wands, okay, that ipupursue nyo ulit na ayusin and magsisimula nga kayo ulit. And that would be a fresh start between the two of you because Knight of Wands is also a card of fresh start and new beginning, and that would be magiging abundant na yung relationship nyo because of that. So dito sa panibagong simula, this love will be full of care, nurture, joy. Yan. So doon mo na makikita yung abundance once na ma-resolve nyo yung kailangan nyo i-resolve. Sige, tingnan natin ano ba yung naging source of conflict na naging impulsive kayo sa pag-decide na i-end na agad yung relationship. Masyado kayong padalis-dalis eh. Huwag ganoon. Okay. Kalma. Sige, tingnan natin. Second card. Okay. Six of Swords. So, yun nga. So, si Six of Swords kasi is a card of alam mo yun, parang healing and surrender. Okay. Siguro may argument talaga kayo na parang alam mo yun, ayaw magpatalo. Diba? So, dahil ayaw nyo nga magpatalo, so yung conflict na yun led to an abrupt ending na hindi nga napag-isipan kasi nga ayaw nyo magpatalo eh. Diba? So, si Six of Cups kasi is si Six of Swords. Si Six of Swords kasi is a card of for me surrender. So, a card of healing then, diba? And moving on. So, ayaw nyo mag-move on dun sa issues between, na meron kayo. tapos may ayaw magpatalo, pwedeng pareho kayo. At dahil nga ayaw magpatalo, di ba? Pag may ayaw magpatalo, tapos ayaw i-resolve ng maayos yung isang situation, di ba? Minsan, bigla-bigla natin isipin na ay, wag na natin tuloy ito. So, sige nga, and tingnan natin ano yung um, ano pa bang need i-clarify dito? Sige. So, ano yung nag-cause nga nung magkakos ng sadness between the two of you? Ayan, si Two of Swords, yung mga choices ninyo in life, choices ninyo sa inyong relationship. Okay, saka medyo, yun nga, meron kayong mga in denial kayo sa mga nagaganap between the two of you. Okay, so ayusin nyo yan. Everything will be alright naman, as shown here by the Justice card and the Knight of Wands. There's a new beginning between the two of you, and yung relationship nyo will be abundant. Sige, seal natin itong reading na to with another oracle card. Okay, so second card ulit. Okay, thoughtfulness. Ayan. So, ayan. Yung, so, di ba sa pagiging thoughtful, parang iniisip mo nga yung kapakanan ng other person. Di ba? And, so, para sa kapakanan ninyong dalawa, so, ayusin ninyo itong sitwasyon na to. Okay? So, kaya nyo yan. Go, go, go! Okay, so sana nag-resonate itong reading na to. Comment na lang sa baba kung nag-resonate ng thoughtfulness or abundance. So claim this energies of the oracle cards and everything will be alright. Okay? So kita-kits na lang sa susunod pang love reading. Dito lang syempre sa aking channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno. In short mismo, ingat!